Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make roll stuffing. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and spreading 1-inch bread cubes on a sheet to dry until slightly golden. Meanwhile, chop onions, celery, and herbs, then sauté them in butter to build flavor. Combine the cooled bread with sautéed aromatics, warm stock, beaten eggs, and seasoning, then mix gently to achieve a moist but not soggy consistency before baking. Layer flavors by browning onions and celery in butter until translucent and lightly caramelized, then add garlic and herbs briefly. Fold in diced apples or dried cranberries for sweetness, and toss in toasted pecans or walnuts for texture. Taste the mixture with a small spoonful of stock to adjust salt, pepper, and herb levels. Aim for balanced savory, sweet, and crunchy elements so each bite feels satisfying and well-rounded. Control moisture by adding warm chicken or vegetable stock slowly while stirring, watching for cohesion without excess wetness. Transfer the mix to a buttered baking dish, cover with foil, and bake until heated through, then remove foil to brown the top. If stuffing cooks inside a bird, calculate extra baking time and tent with foil to prevent overbrowning. Let rest briefly before serving so flavors settle and slices hold together for plating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.